Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of one of the most powerful AI creative platforms right now, Runway. If you've heard about text-to-video, AI filmmaking or cinematic AI visuals, Runway is probably one of the names that keeps coming up. It's a cloud-based AI platform that lets you generate videos from text prompts, turn images into video, edit footage, remove backgrounds and creative AI images, all directly in your browser. One of its biggest strengths is text-to-video. You simply describe a scene and the system generates a short cinematic clip. You can also upload your own video and modify it using AI. For example, changing the style or elements inside the frame. Now let's talk about pricing. Runway offers a free plan with a limited number of one-time credits. It's great for testing the platform, but those credits run out quickly, especially if you generate video. The cheapest paid plan gives you monthly credits, more storage, unlimited projects, and access to more advanced models. Credits are basically the internal currency. Every time you generate video or images, you spend credits. Video uses more credits than images, so serious creators may need higher plans. User opinions are mixed. On platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit, many users praise Runway for innovation and high-quality AI video. Others mention that credits disappear fast and the results can sometimes be inconsistent. So overall, it's powerful, but you need to understand how the system works. Runway was founded in 2018 and is based in New York. The company focuses on combining AI with creative workflows for filmmakers and content creators. So is Runway worth it? If you're experimenting with AI video or wanting cutting-edge creative tools, it's definitely worth testing. Just keep in mind that AI generation is still evolving and managing your credits is key. In short, Runway is one of the leaders in AI video generation. Powerful, creative, but best used strategically. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you want me to review next.